Right, a couple of imaging tools that tucked away there, but in quite a lot of instances are useful. So this is just a transparent image, and I'm going to use the form image tool. Distort, sorry, it's called Distort image. Okay, and then it'll take the mark the corners, and these all move independently, so you can drag them and just line it up with the part of the image you want to distort it to. It just takes a bit of trial and error. That's not bad, probably it's just a bit more like that. Then suddenly you've got your image kind of perspective correct in the photograph that you're mapping it to. So I'll just do that again. Select the image, move it approximately where you want it. So I'm going to put it on the door this time, so this is more challenging but more obvious what's going on perhaps. Long press on it, other distort image, and I'm going to move that over there and that one kind of there probably. Maybe that's more like that. There we go, I've got the same image in two places on that one. Now the other one is I'm being inspired by lots of paper journalists, and they post pictures like this out of their journals, which are kind of taken from a slight angle. Now that's fine, but if you want to do any tracing, it's not that useful. So again, you want to select the image, long press, other, this time correct scan. Okay, now you're just going to move these corner points to the corners of the pages. Sometimes the corners are missing and you've just got to guess, but it'll work the same. So that's that, and you can pinch and zoom in here if you want to get really pixel perfect. So when you're happy with that, you just press done. Suddenly you've got a rectangular kind of image out of the page, perfect for tracing around.